Sup everyone, Cyan here. Checking out the R80 by Epomaker today that is well known, especially for its mini display. Let's have a look. The RT80 is a 75% keyboard with an interesting layout, right off the box with standard accessories. The cool thing is the colored extra keycaps and mini display, which I will cover in a bit. RT80 comes in two colorways, black and grey-white, while the RT65, which offers another layout, comes in grey-white and pink. Not much customization as expected, starting at $96 for the bigger layout and $70 for the latter. Standard specs as you expect from a budget pre-built plastic board. It comes in tri-mode, hot swappable, WinMax support, RGB backlight, and gasket mount. Looking at the design of the RT80 first, there's quite a few things to talk about, with mini display and tri-mode toggle being placed at both ends, and a 1.54-inch touchscreen display at the bottom right corner. Due to this, the arrow cluster are forced to blend into the alphas, and not gonna lie, I'm totally not comfortable the first few days using this board. Below the touchscreen is a media control button for your media playback, pretty straightforward. And taking a look at the back, overall very clean with zero presence of screws. This board uses plastic tabs to sandwich everything inside, and thankfully the keyboard comes in two height adjustments as well. Back to the touchscreen, it comes with basic settings already, like volume control, print screen, and quick access to window settings. Only complaint so far is that the animation between pages feels very confusing sometimes. RT65 on the other hand, more compact, has no fancy screen, but with a nice looking light bar at the top, and a cute looking joystick at the top right corner. No kickstand at the back, which is very questionable if you ask me. Checking out the keycaps, they are cherry profile and double shot PVT. Surprisingly, they included matte keycaps as well, just the font is totally off here. Anyways, I find the Legends printings are fairly sharp for a pre-built board here. In terms of switches, what I have here is the Wistera switches. It is linear, 5-pin with 45 grams operating force. The spring is 20.4mm, which is extra long as compared to the Flamingo switches I have on the RT65. The Flamingo switches have a transparent look, and due to the PC housing, it is slightly brighter in the acoustics than the Wistera. Checking out the plate mount stabilizers, they are factory looped with a white tone. Nothing much to talk about it here, they just sound decent on the modifiers. Again, no screws. Well, I guess the intention of the board is to encourage users to work with it right off the bat, and to be honest, I don't really see a need to modify the keyboard at all. PCB is 5-pin hot swappable, with per key flex cuts on the PC plate from what I see. Overall, I could really feel the softness here. Let's go through a quick sound test first. I wouldn't say it is talky or have a super deep signature, but overall it sounds pretty decent like any plastic pre-built boards out there with solid stabilizers. Now taking a look at the mini TV display, by default it is exactly like what I see from the RT100. You got time, battery health, connection type by default. The fun part lies within the software. I see most people usually upload their custom GIF onto the screen. Speaking of software, you can also customize the touchscreen as well. Same, upload your artwork, and I believe you can select your preferred application to trigger. Just that for Mac, I find all of my apps are disabled for some reason. I'm pretty sure the RT series doesn't support VIA, so if you really have to customize your board, stick with the software for now. And thankfully, it has Mac support at least. To close things up, gotta make this quick, I actually enjoy typing on the RT65 instead. Just the kickstand really questions me a lot. Not saying RT80 is bad or gimmicky, it just needs some time to be comfortable typing on. Any questions? Feel free to leave it down below, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!